Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to another episode of
Other Hobbies.
Yeah, and this is my sister. For those of you who don't know, her name is Chantal. Wait, by the way guys, we've done 4 episodes of these now. Like, we've done the other 3, you guys can definitely check them out. And in today's episode, we're going to be making rock cake. Now, this isn't the first time that we've made rock cake, but it's something that we thought that we figured that we'd try it and, you know, try it again, because it's been like probably 2 years since we made it the last time. Yeah, we have the Grace recipe on the computer behind of us, and yeah, we're gonna just see what happens and take you guys along with us, and maybe you guys can also try making your own rock cake. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it, right? Yeah. Wait. Let me tell you guys something about this vanilla. Okay guys, so turns out that we didn't have any vanilla, so I had to go up the road and buy some vanilla from one of the stores up the road. And yeah, so oh gosh, I stopped in the middle of the road to record this. Guys, that's really what's happening right now. I'ma just move off just for you guys to actually, just some transparency guys. This is like the 3rd day that we've tried to make this thing and ended up not having all the ingredients. It's just a whole mess as to why we didn't even check to see if we had all the ingredients at first. But I believe now everything is all sorted out. Everything's supposed to straight now. So yeah, the next clip that you guys are gonna see is us actually having all the ingredients and ready to start the baking process. According to this, combined flour, ground milk, powder, baking. Mix the dark sugar and sour raisins using a wooden spoon. Oh, so we're gonna need a separate bowl for that. Oh, so I think we need 2 bowls. Okay. So how much cups? 3 cups of flour. Okay.
Yeah.
Just like that. We get to a close up. Oh no, we need some more. Oh no. Kind of mess up this. This should be good. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna put it into this bowl. Alright, so they're saying that we need 1 pack of Grace milk powder. I don't know why Grace is really promoting their thing so much, but this isn't Grace. It's this company, Royal Rose. I need the knife. We need to hurry up and do this now. We're kind of on a time crunch. Alright, so you think I should put the whole pack in here?
Yeah.
You think so? Mm-hmm. It smells nice.
It smells like coconut.
Okay, so hopefully this doesn't backfire. It'll really add to the taste, I think. Oh man, this thing is giving a little bit of problem to open. Alright, so this is it. That's 1 tablespoon. This is kind of one? Oop. Alright, we're just gonna, I think that's good. Alright, so I'm just gonna, yes guys, so we know how to do this time. I'm just going to like kinda assume that this will be 1.5 teaspoons. I think I'm just gonna go with this. Okay, come. So I'm gonna just go with this. This amount right here is pretty generous, and yeah, I think that should be good. Alright guys, so right now we're going to just we're gonna have to soften up this butter, but first we need to kind of cut it in half. Yeah, I mean that should be good. Yeah, and then we're gonna put this part into the microwave for about what seconds? How much seconds?
50.
50? No, probably just like 30, maybe 30. We just want to soften it up so it got to be easier to like mix in with the flour. It kind of melted. I kind of expected this to happen. Yeah, just like kind of scrape this off. I'm just trying them on. We're not gonna be putting all of them in there because I'm not a big fan of raisins. Okay, so cool. Just put in like a handful maybe. And I think that's good. Oh, you want to put in more? Yeah? Yeah, just put in a little bit more. Yeah, look at it. Alright. Alright, so now it's time for the egg, the milk, and the vanilla to get in on the action. So right there. That's basically half a cup. Okay, so I need to, because Shantae failed to make a hole in the middle of the mix. We're gonna just pour it in there. Woo! So that's the milk. I think, how much vanilla mix? Alright. This is about 1 teaspoon. This is definitely not a teaspoon. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think this might be one. Okay, I'm gonna just, you know what, yeah, just right there in the milk hole. The egg was supposed to be beaten. Alright, ready? Just like that. Egg cracked. I'm gonna use this. Beaten. Let's go. So hey guys, Shantae had to leave me, so now I'm kind of just doing it solo at the moment. Bear with me, please. Okay, so we've made our little well. I'm gonna start mixing it from in the middle. They said that we're supposed to really... Oh, what is that sound? Alright. It's gonna get really thick. It smells good, by the way, guys. It smells really good. I think we did well. Shoot. I have to wonder if Shantae did even... Look at that. I don't think Shantae... Oh no. I don't even think Shantae... Can you guys see that? This is a piece of butter. This right here is a piece of butter. I don't think Shantae did this thing right. Right. Get that off. No dough left behind. That we say. Alright, yeah, so for the most part, this is it. I think it's done. I just know that now I need to make some spoonfuls and put on the baking tray. So that's what I'm about to do now. I hate this. I hate this. Alright, so listen, then strike it. There we go, there we go. It's blazing. It's blazing. Oh. I do not have the flat baking tray. I think that should be good. Usually Shantae is the one who does this, but Shantae is gone. Yeah, I think that's enough. Spoonfuls, according to them, I should be using spoonfuls, so I guess just drop them on. Like, I don't think there's any rolling that needs to take place. Oh gosh, no, that's upside down. Oh, so maybe I should like use my finger. Alright. Just put in, like guys, you're not seeing it right now, but that one, that's gonna be a big one. That one right there. Okay guys, so while that is in there baking, I just wanted to take the time out to remind you guys that if you're still watching at this point in the video and you're not subscribed, I think that means you should subscribe. Yeah, I think you're enjoying the content, right? If you're watching this far, I think you're enjoying the content, so why not subscribe? But yeah, we're on the road to 5K. Thank you guys for 1,000, by the way. I'm really appreciative. Really appreciate it. So thanks for subscribing guys, and now we're gonna just get back to the rest of the video. Okay, so they're almost done. I think it's just about 20 seconds left and then they're done. They look good, they smell good. I gotta have to give it like a couple minutes though to cool and then eat it, but you guys gotta see it right now. Whew. Okay, y'all. Alright, let me get these out. Lean you guys up right here. Oh, thumbnail. I have to take a thumbnail. Whew. Whew. Yeah, my channel is a part-time cooking show, you know. Yeah, it's a part-time. Yeah, my channel is a part-time cooking show, you know. Who else can cook at me, man? Look at them, they look so good. Like, let me get the detailing for you guys. Whew. Whew. I can smell the coconut milk powder I put in there. Alright, so I'm gonna allow these to cool and then we're gonna get back to them and do the taste test. So, yeah. So this is it. I didn't even bother taking it out of the tray. It's been a couple minutes, not sure how long to be honest. This is the first one. Put this to the side. Look what it looks like. I'm not sure what you guys seeing right now. So in 3, 2, 1, wait, Grace. Yeah. The flavor is just hitting. Wait guys, I think I need to carry you guys closer. This is incredible. This is actually incredible. This tastes great. No, like actually, this tastes good. I think this is the best tasting thing. Let me stop like with my mouth full. No, sir. No. What time now? Almost 12 o'clock. This is lunch. I think this is the best item that we've made since starting this other hobby series. Shantae's in here. I'm gonna let you guys get her reaction right now. So Shantae is here now. You can take up your hey, come out there on the ground now. Hair face back, go ahead. You have to make the flavor soak in really nice. Tastes good, don't it? It tastes great. See there now guys. Last bite. It tasted so good. Honestly, so good. Like, I can taste the coconut milk powder that we put in there. I can taste the vanilla. A hint of the nutmeg. And just overall it tastes really nice. You know, it tastes really, really good. But wow. That was great. That was great. Can't stop raving about how good that was. I think I'm gonna end up the video now, guys. Definitely a success. I did it all by myself. I did not need Shantae for the second half. So thank you guys for watching. I think I'm gonna end up the video now. So thank you guys for watching. New video coming next week. And yeah, just keep watching. Stay tuned. And that's it. Shamar Crossfield. You know, somebody forgot to shop and play there.